Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the lesson 6 of copywriting masterclass. Now we are done last time with how to make an offer they can't refuse. And so now you know how to make any product or service feel irresistible. But how do you write a copy that makes people feel urgency to buy now instead of later? That's what we'll cover now in lesson 6, the scarcity and urgency effect. Ever waited too long to buy something only to find out you won't get it as it was sold out? Or saw a countdown timer on an offer and feel like you had to act fast? That's the effect of scarcity and urgency. And by the end of the lesson, you will know how to create urgency without being fake, the 5 scarcity triggers that make people buy now, and real world examples of ads that made millions use urgency. So, nothing to wait about. Let's go. Actually, scarcity triggers adrenaline. Just, I'm sorry, scarcity triggers adrenaline. Just like when you see danger and your body prepares either to fight or run. When people feel they are about to miss out, they act fast. That's why limited time offers work so well in copywriting. Ever seen people go crazy on Black Friday? They push, grab, and run to get the deals before they are gone. Why? Because scarcity makes them feel like if I don't buy now, I'll regret it. So here are the 5 scarcity triggers that you can use right now in your copy to create a real urgency there. For example, it could be limited time offer. You should have seen many times only available until midnight or only available till tomorrow, something like that. Limited stock, only 7 left in the stock, or only 2 seats left for the course, something like that. It could be bonus expires soon. For example, order now and get a free gift expires tonight, or there could be a discounted price that is going to expire after 2 hours. Seasonal sales, that could be once a year deal. Don't miss out. Just as we can see Black Friday and social proof scarcity. 5,000 people have already claimed this deal. So people don't want to feel left out. So this could also be a form of urgency. So you can use one of these or all of these and watch your sales skyrocket. For example, Amazon uses a countdown timer on deals to make you feel like you must buy before it's gone. That's urgency in action. Now here's a simple exercise for you. Here's a normal ad. Subscribe to our channel, learn to earn, and become financially independent. Now, you add scarcity. I would say try to add scarcity by using all of those 5 triggers, and then the best one you should post down in the discussion. So every one of us can see and learn from it, and we can even critique it. And like always, I want to keep it very simple, very short, right to the point, so you don't waste your time on computer listening to me only and only and just increasing my watch hours. I want you to do something practical. So enough of the stuff. Now go and practice and post your response below. And finally, now you know how to create urgency and scarcity to make people take action now. But how do you build long term trust so customers keep coming back? That's what we will cover in lesson 7. Until then, take care and bye bye.